surface area and the volume. Okay. Now, if you consider a cube, okay, consider cube. In the cube, how many surface will be there? There are the 6 surface areas will be there. Okay. So cube, each area it's a square, right? Each area it is a square. So you will have 6 faces in that. The total surface area of the cube will be equal to 6a square. Okay, then the lateral surface area or the curved surface area, whatever you tell, that will be what? The top and the bottom, we will not consider. 2 faces we will not consider. Then we call it as a lateral surface area. So what will be its area? So only 4 faces, each one is a square, it is 4a square. Okay, then about the volume. So volume of the cube is equal to a cube. That is length into breadth into height. All the 3, it is a itself. Okay, so it is a cube. Right. And what is worrying you, Kisha? They are also same distance, na? Same. Go there and sit. You have the problem, right? Go and sit. I'm seeing some peculiar things, sir. I think problem is solved, na? Yeah. Sit and write. Do the next one. Cuboid. So even the geometry box will be a cuboid, or a book also will be a cuboid. So in the cuboid, what we have? Length, breadth and the height. Length, breadth and height. Okay, so this is height. Yeah, length, and this is B. L, B and H. L, B and H. So here in a cuboid also, how many faces will be there? It will have the 6 faces. Correct? It will have 6 faces. And here in the top face, what we see? L into B, because it's a rectangle. One face is, so this is L into B. Correct? So same the bottom also, it will be L into B. What about this face? H into B here. Even here it is H into B. Okay. So the other front and the back faces, it what will be the thing here? This is H and this is L. So L into H. So what will be the cuboid total surface area? 2LB plus 2HB plus 2 plus 2B into H plus 2 L into L is there, na? L into H, total surface area. What about the lateral surface area? 2LB plus 2, sure, 2LB plus 2BH. 2 bracket LB plus 2LH. L into B will not be there, because top and the bottom we don't consider. Okay, whenever the lateral surface area is there, okay. So in this only you will have the 6 faces. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Top and the bottom faces we don't consider when we are doing the lateral surface area. Then L into B will not be there. Okay, so it will be equal to 2H into B plus 2L into H. So next comes the volume. Volume is how much space it has or how much it can fill in. So that will be equal to L into B into H. Okay. What happened? So cylinder. Then just send that book. Start writing.
No, I did start writing. That's fine. Good. Yeah.
Huh. Okay. So cylinder, there are three surfaces. Huh. So each one is pi r square, and this is also pi r square. Okay. And when you cut this and open that, how it looks like a rectangle. Correct. And what will be this length? 2 pi r, and this height will be h. So total surface area will be 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r into h. So it is equal to so 2 pi r into r plus h, total surface area. Write the curved surface area for this everywhere. Pi r. H. Usually we write. Okay, right.
Very welcome. They don't have.
Okay, write down that. Done. Then what will be the volume? Volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder. Pi r square into h. This base area into its height. Pi r square into h. Write down. Okay.
A sphere is cross
Then understood now. Okay.
understood.
See here. This they will ask the difficult questions in that. Okay. So first you know all this, it will be easier to do. Which surface area is what if you know properly. So what and all surfaces you have to include. For that only you can take the area. It will be. That's why I'm telling this. Next fourth one. Cone. So cone will be ice cream cone shape or whatever the you consider here. Here, what are the three distances we get? One is the radius, other one is the slant height. And the third one, it is the height of the cone. Three the things we will get here, right? So one is the slant height. What is the measurement? 2 pi r h is the CSA. This volume is the CSA will be leaving the top and the bottom. Pi r h. This much understood? I did not tell you. Okay, listen now.
Right.
Cone. Cone, what and all we see when you keep a cone. So what will be its height? That is the one. And another one is the slant height. The other one is the radius. Correct? So in the cone, we have the height, slant height, and the radius. So what is the relation between all the three? L square will be equal to r square plus h square, or L is equal to root of r square plus h square. By Pythagoras theorem, we will get that. That is slant height will be equal to root of r square plus h square. Okay. Next, write the how many surface will be there in the cone? Sunaina, how many faces will be there in the cone? 2 faces. One is the area of the circle. This is one face, and this will be the surround area will be the second face. So total surface area will be the area of the both the things. So what is total surface area here? That is pi r square plus the pi into r into l. Right. So what you will get? Pi r, if I take common, it is r plus l. So what is curved surface area here? Pi into r into l. Next comes the sphere. hemisphere. So volume will be volume will be 1/3 the pi r square into h. Okay. Next, write the sphere. So in the sphere, Bobby, how many faces will be there in the sphere? One space, one will be that. So total surface area, lateral surface or curved surface, everything will be same for the sphere. Sphere like any football or any globe what we consider. So only one face will be there. What will be that area equal to 4 pi r square? Write down this, finish it, then we'll go for the sphere, hemisphere. So all the areas. Okay, so all the areas you know it separately. So whatever the areas required, only that you will add up and you will take that for the surface area. Okay. 4/3 pi r. This is done, written everyone.
Yes.
Later done. Fifth one, sphere. Okay, so what will be the total surface area? It is 4 pi r square. So you don't have curved surface area, lateral surface because it has only one face. What will be the volume of this? 4/3 pi r cube. Okay. So this is a sphere. Next comes a hemisphere. So in the hemisphere, so how the hemisphere looks like? When you cut a football exactly into two parts. So one part will be the hemisphere. If you, Lihan, what are you talking so much?
It's drawing very beautiful.
Okay, fine. No, why you are worried about his drawing? You are not getting marks for his drawing, no? Why you are worried? Okay, so football, when you cut into two parts, what happens? One part, if you consider, that will be the hemisphere. Okay, so in the hemisphere, how many faces will be there, Andrita? One face. Okay, Aditya, two faces will be there. So one will be a circle and other will be the inside part. So the top portion will be a circle, that is pi r square. What will be the other portion? Exactly half of this, that is 2 pi r square. So total surface area will be 3 pi r square and curved surface area will be, how much will be the curved surface area, Sahana? 2 pi r square. And what will be the volume?
2/3 pi r cube.
Why 2/3 pi r cube? Why it is 2/3 pi r cube?
Because half of
Sphere volume is the 4/3, half of that will be 2/3 pi r. Okay. What is there to learn? Exercise 12.1, page number 166. First question. Two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So two cubes, they are joined together. Two cubes. Okay, each one has the surface area of volume. The volume, it is 64 centimeter cube.
Volume.
Volume of each cube, they are given 64 centimeter cube. Okay, they are joined together. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Try this problem. So 64. So each side it is 4 centimeter. Each side it is 4 centimeter will be that. Okay. A is equal to 4 centimeter. Now, when I join the two cubes, what will be its area? See, to find the area, how you have to think is, think if I want to wrapper this thing, what and all the area I will be able to see. Okay, or what and all area I will be able to wrap that. So that like that you have to think. Okay, so one side. See, it forms a cuboid now. Together, it forms a cuboid. It forms a cuboid. You can think it is like this. Okay. So, one side it is 4, and this side also it is 4. Whereas here the length will become 4 plus 4, 8. It is 8. So it is a cuboid of length 8, okay, height 4, and the breadth also 4. Now what is the total? See how it looks when I'm doing the combining together. So here the length will become 8. One side height and the breadth will become both are 4 only. Correct? So what? It's a cuboid having length 8, height 4 and B 4. Okay. So total surface area is equal to 2 into L into B plus 2 into L into H plus 2 into B into H. So what will be the 2 into 8 into 4 plus 2 into 8 into 4 plus 2 into 4 into 4. So now calculate what will be the answer. Calculate and tell me. 8 into 8. Same thing you are getting. What is there in the textbook? 64 plus 64 plus 30. Understood, no? So, volume, it is 64 from that. Each side we will get. When you combine together, what happens? Length will become 2 times. Breadth and the height will be the same. Okay. So, it will be 64 plus 64 plus 32. 160 will be the answer. It is. How much you will get?
160 centimeters
Square. You got. Why you are talking? A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. So hemisphere mounted by a cylinder.
Yes.
Okay. So when you paint it inner, he is telling to paint the inner surface. Okay. So how you will paint the inner portion of this, and this will be hollow itself, right? One upon the other, when you keep it as hollow, you are not painting that portion, correct? So that means you will paint only the total, not the total surface area, only curved surface area of hemisphere. And one upon the other, if you keep, even you will not paint this portion, or if you're a gift wrap, you will not cover that. So that means what? This is also hollow. We are not filling that. That means both are curved surface area. Both are the curved surface area which you have to calculate. Okay. So curved surface area of the solid. Okay, so it is the curved surface area of the solid, or paint. What we will just say area only. Will write while writing area of the solid is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, curved surface area of hemisphere plus the curved surface area of the cylinder. Okay. What is the curved surface area of a hemisphere? Bhavi? 2 pi r square. What about the curved surface area of the cylinder? 2 pi r into h. Okay. Now vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. So hemisphere diameter is 14 centimeter. That is radius will be 7 centimeter. Okay. And what is the total height of the vessel? Vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. He is asking. Listen this once. If this is the radius, see here, this is also will be the radius. Okay, correct now. So height here is also equal to radius. That is 7, until this it is 7 centimeter. So what is the height of the cylinder? 13 minus 7. 6. That will be the height of the cylinder. Now substitute and calculate. Okay. So that is 2 into pi into, this is rate, and always most of the time when they are telling mounted on each other, the radius of the cylinder and the hemisphere, it will be the same. Okay. So it is the 7 into 7 plus 2 into pi into, what is the radius here? 7 into the height. That is the height of the cylinder, that is equal to 6. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 6. So it is 44 into 7 plus 44 into 6. You can take the common 44, 7 plus 6 or, so that will be equal to 44 into 30 will be the answer, 572. And since it's an area, here it is centimeter square. Okay. And always remember, writing the units you have to write, it will carry half mark. Okay. And write the conclusion, the total area of the solid is 572 centimeter square. Listen. Aditya, I got the answer.
Yeah.
Do the next one.
Hey, where do you get that?
Get me the book here. I want to see. Then why you are busy talking? Write down the surface area of the toy. Surface area of the toy is equal to curved surface area of toy. That is the curved surface area of cone plus the curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay. So what is curved surface area of a cone? Pi into r into L. What is curved surface of hemisphere? 2 pi r square. We can get the textbook here. One second. Okay, write down pi is 22 by 7. What is the radius? Usually mounted one upon the other, radius will be the same. Okay, so here the radius of the cone is 7 by 2. 3.5, I will take it as, listen here, how to simplify once. Okay, so 3.5 is there, we will take it as 7 by 2. Okay, length of the slant height. What is the slant height he has given? Has he given the slant height? No, total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. It is 15.5 centimeter. Now, if this height, I have to calculate this height, what will be the hemisphere height? 3.5. So this length will be 12. Okay. So that is the height we have got. 2 into 22 by 7 into here 7 by 2. L is 1. H is 12. So what is L? Root of r square plus h square. So L is equal to root of radius is 3.5 whole square. 15 units. H is 12. No more than that. So how much will be that? 1.4. So what is L you are getting?
156. L 156.
Root of 156 or
Root of 156.2. You forget two ones. You stop it. I know the formulas.
Vihan, take the book. You have another one? So calculate now. 5 5 is 25, 2 5 3 is 15, 16, 17. So 22.5
What's that?
12.25 or 12.5? 25.
It is 156.
5.
Now you get 12.2.
Okay.
Now 22. 12.
Wait 1 minute.
Ma'am, the one is
1
on the
minute.
right side, this one is on the left side. It's 1 plus
1
0.
minute. Wait.
And this is
I am 7.
12.1.
Okay. Huh.
Yeah.
Mom, you put 1 plus 2.
Huh.
And you're correct. But, yeah,
So how much you will get? It is 12.25. You are getting root of that. Okay. So L is equal to 12.25. Huh. So what? This you have to put 12.25 and calculate. Huh.
What's the total size of you?
12.5 or 12.25 you will get?
12.5.
5 no? 12. 5 also. Huh?
11 12.5.
Huh. This will be the answer. Huh. Do the fourth one no? 11 meter. Again, you can take if you want here 11. You can take common and add and you can. Okay. Now, what is the area you will get?
1 4.5.
2.
1 4.5.
0.5. Okay. Huh. Here we will end the today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.